but yen to me, let's be honest. Morocco, yen to me, Algeria, yen to me, Tunisia, na. CB to make a crebe 50-50, but Nigeria they me 80% sure this Nigeria will qualify until my day. But 18th of December, and I draw on the Basso. 18th December, draw on the Basso and a match. Yet me about playoff. No, in Ghana, you're pot 2. Egypt, Cameroon, Mali, Ghana, Congo, and a pot 1. Senegal, Algeria, Tunisia, Nigeria, and a Morocco. And you know, Kate. 25 million starting there 25 million starting there coach million so $300,000 bonus no obinya starting there utumi ehye team si mu bia ba ko a $300,000 na dawo ehome obinya as bonus over 16 billion so Jeff me right $300,000 na now ko 16 billion na ya tamama individual so we qualify Ghana to the World Cup. Because you have qualified Ghana to the World Cup 2014. Your man $100,000 say a bonus okra, but Bruni buy no your man $300,000 say obi to qualify Ghana to a World Cup. And you know, I don't know busy be anya dey club support it. Ama Ghana qualifies and say ni krom kwan. Yeah into then support Ghana. Ama na World Cup ni ama coach $300,000. But all the same no World Cup ni more thing. You bet to share Senegal, Nigeria, Algeria, Tunisia, and Morocco.
North Africa Funde.
North Africa is F3. F3 Tunisia, Morocco, Algeria. Now, Senegal MCB Shiabako. Because yeah, I pot 2 no. I think say North Africa back open wom Egypt. 4 na can West Africa. In time is only West Africa 3, but North Africa 3. And yeah, there Egypt we share any North African country. And they are and you know, you prepare. Say you be share Morocco. Maybe my prediction in the Ghana bit Ghana, you share Morocco, you be share Algeria, you share Algeria, you be share Tunisia. No. And you know, get preparation is starting there. Chairman, say na budget or na budget na mission no. Yeah, mostly you can budget to maintain sports. Sika you do call sports. I catch no mention ante. Nti no me share that you maso. Afi many Etienne Sema you know finance minister Rebecca budget no sports ni nya bibi kakra nya sika
sports for the oyesa ene the be 34 year na Rebecca chire on say sky the mamu no hwe ye pitches nyina mo se FIFA crowd skaba mo de yede
chairman
nyabotre ansana abansika moje gate process amoje sponsorships amoje. You understand the point I'm making? Sika mo de yede yes an ko for sika de be ko ya kwan ni niam san famre mu bio.
Chairman say budget no say
sika de ba ho ma put am here get am there mo de to an ma fa chire no ma ko ji put am here get am there and yes an ko for mo sika ne nkoda epe ayi suku dan ni niam san famre mu.
Chairman o kan san so dia yes sports for so no ye be ka bibi kakra is that say ye okroma ana ye see bond ni aid ni nyina ye ko jiba ye de ko baabi sports no so ya de timemufo Ghana for na bobo no okroma Ghana Premier League Ghanaians into the anka ministry no and I say aman no ye budget at the entika krabi ye local me anya blaster no ye local league no ye local league no
yes am for the chain and to aso otie mo aka sa mo de mo no ya ka about local sponsorship deals amunya then amode ya ye fa meka na mo fa to aso no. Chairman,
as I speak to you now, the Ghana Premier League any headline sponsor when can say abiding and cover sponsor
but only tell me sponsor any attractive. Chairman, onye bibi e kire se mani abre se mo onya dan mana attract obi nanu ada wo kan krom ha hwe akwapem ene potem ha wo hwe akwapem north menim so manya pitch se e kire o manya bi
akwapem north da bi
saf anya bi
Saf yegusu abiru but omu nwie ye
Saf
abri wo astrotef abri ni bi abri ni astrotef
you see share a whole stretch of an enclave ye chichew ye nya bi yes you try to wa how na the attempts ka dey komamo na ma hwe nkrofo ni mu abia ampam dey akosisi eye se eye evenly distributed ya tell one say ye astrotef e dey ama district. Every district or municipal assembly should have at least one. A regional, district or municipal capital. It's your clear. Even in the park, we saw her emotion senia abasani ade na no ada Christmas mo be di 1 year celebration
1 year man away
oyiwa enti at the end of the day ade a yaka say ye chen evening nyesa fe na MP ko pacho akosre nya fe na mabun ko pacho akwe demonstration ye oye kira koje a na say da ho a ye discuss mambo him say there's a program attached to it munya wodi adanse say efe ho na ya faculty kwa so ne ade beto mu no ye nipa ne kwa ye bona chi do mo kwetena ho wi na represent nipa ne kwetena ho and now free kete alpha
amfa
and now free over
amfa
onja wiper metemenka you see it's about time people are held accountable for their leadership and their governance and other things and other duties omoye and you can say minimum so discover mama
chairman okay accountability one say FA no feel say they are autonomous and I make an say FA no be call tournament and a Black Star be call tournament Omuko jiska from the ministry and I said from the government. Omuko tournament in man for so few mobile. Say they are autonomous. Omu first card come now, chairman, mami land. Now, Sanka government no as FA no getting say yeah in a Black Star here there Black Stars no Black Star no yeah FA ni there
enthusiasts of sport
Black Star no yeah FA ni there Black Star no your mind there and it say on minor says okay mo co tournament ya mamo e bia $15 million mo nyen fan co tournament mo ba ya shamo getting say mo be accounts enfama the state
Kevin me nyo bia me dispose champions but you see let us be frank with ourselves obiaye botaya esine so botation or maybe a benya for so be frame it could be sika it could be satisfaction it could be a certain impact be a person station say hey it will take years and say be a better tika but it be a remember from like I say you hear the impact of the radio station in the community and it be a day bar and then for me dissemination be able to talk a high to make a be a station be to be a hunu nonka or here no onya anije bini I'm happy. All I'm saying is, your mom's car, 25 million, the mommy, baby, I'm Kodruno. She come to me, I'm 4 million. Now the 25 million, a friend say 4 million, a good venture. And the Ghana Club last at the end of a qua near Tom players in the Omukwa. Players no process there, but a club owners no, and Omo managers and handlers. I never buy any ho.
Chairman,
I might be seen the bunker said me first can shame in FIFA pa, or Majikro, Crony FIFA there. FIFA mre binit skedia no nene se black time near there you know they are facing the law.
Yes, chairman, and no Nigeria on the FA autonomous about to me fan football but in Nigeria 2012 or forgetting FIFA something and a government sanction some individuals in the FA I'm all banned in Nigeria for 2 years after that they came back to win the AFCON so that's what I'm saying is abano
but sa nipo no sanction wo money FIFA sanction 2 years no no more Kromo.
No more. That's what I'm saying. The government can do that. Say yes, FN say yani finance Ministry of Youth and Sport. Most of this come from the ministry. And then ya show the amount 1 million to AFCON. Oba be accounts. Am at the state because yani amount
no winning World Cup no. No win na sky na no nya.
Yeah, the last World Cup no winning ya $32 million.
And any day 25 question nya 32 ah. Then him say you hope say akwa bi ebetime ko nyanya nsa enti ko gambo ne akwa be ye dro ye nyaye 4 million je me mo acha no bai
ya eja
empom tere mi na
nyame adom boko ano ben so me chia we tie fu nyina let's be honest here ye nim say World Cup ni ye
win
the most possible team ananka ye kita ye betime de win no sa team na atwam
se me apia mo call mre bi no
woko sa won atwam so we know for a fact say probability of us winning the World Cup will be probably like 1 in, let's say, or the young fan say even among the 32 teams could have one out of 32 or something like that. And you know, me say 25 million and Kofi Bibrea making a lot of arguments about it, and so it looks like Obia argument here valid in a way because what are you using the 25 million for? What exactly are we using the 25 million for? Because say we share budgets from much richer countries like the US and football powerhouses like England,
Brazil,
Netherlands, and we share budgets are at that one way. So I what about football now? Sometimes you are tempted to ask, na yen den kwa na ye kwa yentia. sometimes
yeah, then your friend bedroom and hand time feel
you demand such a high and exorbitant
I laugh outside crying home
just so that we'll be able to just play in the World Cup. I think the farthest we've reached in the World Cup was the quarterfinals. So what I say, and how much did that earn us? I think it was around the 4 million.
4 million.
Mr. Baffour. And you know, Nigeria sacking of FA, who can say, you know, time Ghana was sacking that was what everybody expected to happen. Say, Anka, there will be some sort of a revolution in our FA. Just say, to send Nigeria for 2 years, they sat through the ban, they restructured, and they came back and they came to win the AFCON.
They came back strong.
So but to say, from the way it is looking, you know, it's looking like say Ghanaians are regretting Kwesi Nyantakyi left.
Yes,
because
nothing has happened.
Because under his tenure, no, at least now we were consistent with qualifying for the World Cup. He took us to 3 World Cups, 3 consecutive World Cups.
Yes, back to back.
Yes. And you know what the ne bone ne ade oye ne ade ne de say ne watch it in a year style bi. Enti ne man koye ne eye. And so no need you made it to me you can take that away from him.
Yes.
I think say he was deputy CAF president, and then he was on the FIFA executive committee board.
And casually he was climbing.
Yeah, he was climbing up the ladder. And when say in African football, no, the francophone countries, no, really as CAF president and Emma will favor francophone countries. Nepa. Inti Anka Kwesi Nyantakyi was getting closer.
It was the person to succeed. Issa
Hayatu. So Anka, we were going to have an Anglophone, you know, FA president. I would yin Anka Kwesi Nyantakyi abe de Anka, you know, certain maybe
and I could be swatch.
Yes. Obetimi puli FIFA infrastructure.
Yenyabocha kakra anko FIFA. Senka
question Nyantakyi expose it wasn't an snippet. It wasn't an snippet. It was a planting from FIFA. This current FIFA president, Gianni Infantino. One thing he said was on Africa. Gianni Infantino on Africa. And they knew say Nyantakyi be lead African football. Very difficult for Infantino. So benya Africa young votes to win because Africa these associations are Africa crowd 54 and then they crowd more votes when it comes to FIFA elections.
Most votes, yeah.
And you know, let's make sure say you be take it Nyantakyi out. Now, so no, you team control.
Yeah,
influence this African FA, you know. And you know, they involved BBC and announced because the videos announced showing was that particular year videos, Premier League our boy videos. When show the friend then past videos and I said past Premier League matches. It was that year matches Akoroko has and Wafani Weboy and show you to tarnish the image of Kwesi Nyantakyi, and it worked.
This conspiracy. This
to me, in terms of young football, no, any other day, say you expose young referees, you know, in terms of bribery and corruption, or boy, but. Edu baby no so no I say the main man no man Nkasa be take it no yeah you know
I think say this conspiracy theory America I think say Mate there's another sports journalist Mate will make it the same assertion. Blatter was somebody who was pro-Africa because under Onokra no pushy for the World Cup to come to South Africa or it will be another pro-Africa and Kwesi Nyantakyi was inclined to Blatter or leaning towards Blatter side, and because of the way Anna Blatter relationship with Africa tinintino na every time for FIFA elections and onya votes from Africa happen intino say through sa we no na Kwesi Nyantakyi di nyemu to enter FIFA executive committee. So Gianni Infantino Rebemu, he wanted to sidestep Blatter or any cronies in it. The same crowd will lean towards on one side. You know, for me, you know, so if you are somebody who knows world politics, when him say, maybe say you cannot prove it, but you know it's not far from the truth.
Yes. Because Ahmed Ahmad on your football person.
No, at all.
It was a strategy. This current FIFA CAF president, Patrice Musepe, and a one Nigerian Amaju Pinnick.
Yeah.
A strategy. Let's bring Ahmed Ahmad on your football person. Now you control Eddie Baby. Yes, he's corrupt. They say so also corrupt. Why in FO? Besides the sanctions being awarded by Ahmed Ahmad. Why in FO? Then they brought in Patrice Musepe. Because
when Gianni Infantino he came on the back, riding on the back of the corruption of Sepp Blatter, thinking we were also about to see a revolution at FIFA. Just say football, we because there are certain things that goes on in football. I mean, up to today, for the fact that Africa we have 54 participating nations in the world, and yet we get only 6 slots. Five slots. I think World Cup 2010 and 6 slots. And Europe gets half of the entire World Cup contingent. That is 16 teams. If Yaribo tournament and one continent gets to present half of the entire tournament contingent, the probability say teams be do far it's very high. Very high. Which I feel say unfair because say ubiemu for African teams or the ubiemu put to let's say 16 and so for Africa, you get so many good nations qualifying. Sure. You get Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Nigeria, Cameroon, Algeria, Morocco, Tunisia, Senegal, Mali, South Africa. You have all those dark horses in Wakra, they do very well. Gabon and Burkina, those kind of teams. You have teams that will baller. I mean, will also go far in the World Cup. I feel say if we had also had equal opportunity from the beginning, me sure an African team would have won the World Cup by now. I mean, when you look at yen team now, Suarez I mean, Germany was the best team around that time, and they even struggled against us. I mean, I don't see any team to say it was Spain that was under the influence of it wasn't Pep Guardiola coaching them, but that time Barca was on top, and Barca was imprinting the tiki-taka style of football back into the world of football. And I say, you could see the Barca DNA in the Spanish team. Where your team, they were the only team I met me on a good day they can outclass us. But apart from them, I don't see any team that would have, if we had equal opportunity. Other teams be other teams be. Man, there was such a huge chance for us to have gone to the final. Sure. And FIFA assembly. See,
but Jeff, do you subscribe to the fact? Say, people have the notion. Say, but yeah, I buy any FIFA. Best sanction FIFA. Not so bad banning or don't banning. No problem. We will not partake in international tournaments. But locally, we can build ourselves. Yes. And now here the day you nominate idea. Gradually, they're also fading away. Once they fade out, they be a best spot to a new player. Or banner to when you're playing meta. What do you mean more?
Chairman, I think say I will agree with you. And say now me make you points about the 25 million here. I'm not saying they should invest the money into the Black Stars, but rather in our local league. Because this country say winning World Cup and any other now. So one local league in Egypt and announcer, and we need this World Cup. Yeah. In 2010, Barcelona, they were dominating in Europe. Spanish team, their first 11, now Barcelona players 9 and a womb, and they won the World Cup. Germany, some are Bayern Munich, 89, so 2013, about 2014, they won the World Cup.
Yeah.
In France, France winning the World Cup in 2018. Although not the French league, I know each other in Ghana, but there were 1 or 2 players in the French league. Now they involved them or they included them in their squad.
Yeah.
But how do you do? In 2010, Ghana in the World Cup, you had a certain Lee Addy playing in the local league.
Yeah.
A certain someone who come with local league outside. That form even in 2006. First time. He had Samir J from the local league, Aminu Dramani from Ashgold, Sheila Al Hassan, Mo, and Aduke Papo Mo. They were all in the local league. Yeah. But this time around, you have a whole tournament. One local player crying him. one local player.
It doesn't say a local league now. Yes, a pace Kakoboni and you're strong.
We are not investing in our local league. What
Manager,
say? Which young players are you Ghana? If you invest in them, they will do well.
I think I've said it on sports show that say. Because of the way I know a local league, and me interest in sharing him. But recently I watched a few matches and boys, they are playing good football.
Yes.
Local, guys,
yes.
I was shocked. They are playing very good football. Look at boy, said this goal or dribble far line also. Mizak Asante. Mizak Asante,
a very young chap, like
should be
15, 16 years.
Mizak Asante should be world famous by now.
Yes.
He should be in the same news as Gavi and Nico and Jude Bellingham and all those people, because you can see say interpassing play near then also boys if they were playing on a good pitch we will see some quality football. Because they say boys is a Champions League.
Sure.
Now people have access to YouTube videos near they are watching, they can practice on their own near they into the young league, say younger yeshim na younger structure near it will help us. It will help young football because we will discover talent.
Sure.
Because boys will have bobo
local league and cost na scout na ye come boom.
Mr. Baffour na Okore head of sports Kofi Kore.
Yes, Ojina Park so.
Boys, Mr. Baffour, boys are what bobo we kropon krom ha. Anka if the football structure in Ghana bibia Anka Ekropon cry. What is Anka worst case scenario? We should have a team. League team, because they were good enough boys. I mean, you knew one from Mofrasi, Reggae Nanamfo Jomo, Shankoma. I mean, you were excellent players. Yawole was Messi.
Yes.
I know Yawole Albo fit Mofrasi. Yawole the center Messi. Oje ball or bet Chobia or Park and also. You understand? Some of when Anka, if the football structure existed, Anka at least say Wobo league be crowd outsider. Say they will bring revenue back into the country.
And one thing is that if auto player an out-on player fee locally outsider, if you know 10%. Of the money, and still our FA are not investing, or they are not investing in our local league. Sharing pitches.
Yeah,
this 25 million bit map build a whole lot of pitches.
Yes,
just South Sudan, not America, just South Sudan. When your independence, about 10 years in USA. FA know a whole stadium.
Yes,
FA, not the government, the FA. But look at this, our FA. Several years, Sikaba each and every year, Sikaba from FIFA, from the governments, individuals and Kasa donating.
Now, former last MP candidate for NDC, Yawapia Kubi. Such a fantastic footballer. Yawapia Kubi, for the 3 years that we were in Presec, me bedni. I call Form 1, and Interhouses, woman and captain. From Form 1. I mean, he was that good. Young drive time show host. Kwame Perry. Fantastic defender. Tunta. Fantastic defender. People that should have gone on and played football. Me and Kasa, my senior brother. Me bako, papa bako. Terry Boateng. They know Terry Boateng. Baller. Now wobble.
But Jeff, you see, Oshe Obise Kane Sports Minister Ohinijan. Sebio. Menye sure sebi. Na onimni oya ode sa Demi Parky na ka o develop. Government has been a successive something. Successive government am anye. Yes, we atimi atena ha die ho abro. Hunu say sports betimi adane niam bi ani. Some rantie mu bia nya international contract bi ko boya. Oh, the ripple effect in the community would have been very great.
Mr. B, John Pinto. Say John Pinto.
Those
days, not me senior brother Terry Nanebo. Terry was the captain.
Methodist.
I remember, yes, of course, Methodist. I remember, say, one time my father said, watching John Pinto play for the Black Stars, he remarked, say, Minimanka, maybe football, me man boy. Because at that time, Nami Papa Fele said there was no structure around and felt football didn't have a future for his
more
son.
like
So he wanted him to go to the university so that he can secure himself a future.
But I would to say South Africa, structures near the war. Dr. Kumalu.
Yeah.
He was a doctor, professional medical doctor, but he was playing.
Yes. If you go
there
to
are other
Brazil,
areas, professional.
Brazil, legendary player Socrates. He was a medical doctor. Ball.
Hey,
So what I say.
There be a way, and I'll say it, and I will keep on saying it. Hey, you don't know what near straight. You know what near straight. There be a catcher say, yes, ye penso. Abans say, Mamma Munso, me who abansu needs you. That attitude now, yeah, the Tikrum, both NDC, MPP, whoever, it's about time we take some of this discipline and develop them one after the other. Say TNC sports one. Yeah, you say sports. And then you be here. Quality players. How do we get quality players? They need pitches. And then I am for so can be. Oh, to us here. What one in yeah, park away. And Kodani take to my pomo. Referee say, apart from some ball no, at the eye professional win. Yeah, the tit in your pom. Emma nipa niche. Yeah, dear so take. Emma secure the crown rone where you are the whole year quite year with your wound. That's what it.
Chairman, so I say we mess like a beep. Opinion kuna oka so watu anza on beso. Ne ba mobo, on beso ne ba be bobo. Enti de obe pitch na hina ko obi ba nkobo so.
Manager, even certain events and you hold there and you discover talent. Milo Milo National Championships. SCN is from Milo. Mutari Milo. Stephen Appiah Milo. That generation of players are in almost all of them because we were discovered from Milo tournament.
But let's say I buy so any maybe home. There be a case I say be a what be a juma for. I was up by mount tax holiday kakrabi.
Yeah.
Now the organize they say we are do na need now.
Yeah.
Milo a wo can be or a tour wo to buying raw material and the competition so abom. Yeah. One crophobia my be a yentimi mobile D because of ambushing near it. Look. We hear so share a compete Milo.
Yeah.
As well as they know here so share a compete Milo. Sa for no nyina amen be a Milo the demand no e be ante sekane no.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, e be a ontimi en fa sika ko shem ko ni power form adwumam cost of production ene ma akade koko ni adi e bi ko abrochire or tobi ha ene nkrofo so tobi ye bi wodam wo garage no ni ade enti ama e bi a pressure enti aban be hwe say Milo enya na wo ye we ni we ma oman no enti ogie ma share tax no be 50%. Na enya kwan fa say
this is a very intelligent point.
Tebia make say et say obi awie school unemployment graduate unemployment ya betimi ate so fan say me school me nya me fa train teacher na katu e bia 1000 me nya 1000 me nya 500 aban say onim fan ne 25 me 25 na so afei o tax a wotua kra no mate so 20% fa fat na for mama.
Thank you.
Ade we niema aban ji sika e ko kan hwe eniema e koso no it is our own question.
Yeah.
Something we can hwe yete ye niema bi ye ne yeso kakra bia we can survive.
Yeah.
We can survive.
Yeah.
Open what I say. We can survive. And if I say companies are hold on near the branch say wo kramo you do be ha so krabi your business no problem no no say obo modia man e bia emu 20 ada sud kana na so de mono be man what de man betimi aton what this can man e beji says kana e de bo e bia ekuafo no kwan niema ya de niema for ye ho
instead of you being an importer no within this specified time no start a channel wo resources into say bia ye be expand rice growing
and machine the population of in
Ghana here so that it wouldn't be like because as a businessman no say me who say who push me in favor of local rice, I'll fight you. And
the cartel,
yes,
the whole cartel, every baby,
I'll fight you. I had to say, COPEC, Ghana oil way for corporation of oil bulk storage for you. They'll fight you, and they are like the most powerful group of people in the country. Telcos, because of one power will hold it. Anything, a lot of the things our government to me in cash. Because the telcos, they have more money than the oil industry. Everything you do in the world now depends on telecommunication.
Yeah.
It wants to say real one ikita. So it is hard. Which your communication minister tries to be pushy for some reform. But if MTN decides, say, okay, we operate in Ghana today, we are going, and they will cripple Ghana. Because a lot of the things we do,
where they are sending Momo.
it depends on MTN
Any other
services.
things.
So what I say,
But me feel say maybe me cause South Africa here. Now blacks now no. Divi another trouble thing. Ono munsu and ubisa say they are creating jobs. Because and that why everyone akofa ebetua neka. Adwene kita ono no. Such a bad mentality if you ask me. I think Sebia a candy for no the people in helm of affairs. Both civil servant, politicians, and all that. Create problem ni overnight. In terms of so many say we can do it like this and we will survive. It will help. Now, we are watching problem maybe.
Manager, some of the things I'll always say. Look, politicians will always be politicians. That is their job. That is what they do.
And your job is your career.
Yes, it's your career. That is what they do. Whatever we talk about politicians, that is what they do. That is what they do. That is why in certain countries that are successful, there are proper systems. The politicians do what they do.
They do their politics,
but the systems take care of the people. So what I say?
But how they are fra?
So you build this system new way. That is why we are suffering.
Look,
manager. There is this assertion in Kofi and the beer I never agree. Say before the yen subanti style be different. I tell them say we are not different. Human beings around the world are the same everywhere. If you leave them,
the socioeconomic
if you leave a human being
yes.
in a jurisdiction where there is no control, where there are no laws, they will behave the way the black people behave. Exactly. Is it not the same Ghanaians they be and I walk and they are always hailed as model citizens, law-abiding citizens. It's because there are laws there and people enforce the laws. So what I say?
Now people guide the law.
Yeah. People enforce the law. To say, you see, when you go to Rome, you do what the Romans do. Who do baby now who say, aha, area ha anopebia obia sorry otutu nesia. Sorry, that's the first thing you do. Ubetu say cause when say when you say kura ubetom. If you go to one uko area bit say Trasako. The way area no hot Kasa no will not even allow you to throw pure water rubber around. Because when him say civilized people live here and they behave in a certain way and you are forced to behave like that. So what I say before I got any be do him lost or baby added that just so that he won't flout. I'll always cite this example. I have a friend called Bernard. The first day he got to London, he was driving. He was driving. It was around 1 a.m. First week we do London. And no red light. Or say when I say 1 a.m. He'll be police channel.
Thank you.
When he got home, the police were at his residence waiting for him. And he
police in our duty night.
Yes.
First of all, a certain money to be a cheap. And the signal Amma where who's in say to some extent digitization once or share system is one.
Your car number is linked, it has an RFID chip. Speed camera be your car number is linked to your driver's license. Your driver's license has your information on where you live,
your weight,
everything,
and your age, your blood group, everything.
London is the most CCTV surveyed space on earth.
And a pename can want some me producer say, you see, a young church remove.
Yes.
And the budget he say, me him say a budget will be allocated for federal digitization processes.
Yes.
Because maybe I don't know. It is intentional.
Sadina by Dr. Baumiari,
intentional.
If Ghanaians understood we will run and give information so that they digitize everything. Look, what is America where your population census that?
Everything is captured.
Because you are captured into the system. So at every point in time, they know the exact population. They know So when population and everything is digital, young to me for buying because the government be our how say oh I'm for her. You will nipa be ebia 20,000 net ya.
Me ensawu. Ya wo enuma ka ho. Enkwada no be hia we empatefo age adru.
We ye betimi a che ne say eto corruption so.
And now even the amount of money resources will be here there some money can be channel to other things.
Because look, sir, government payroll fa your ghost names. And fa your ghost names because it is not system in your biometric. It will to me do be a shame. If the system is biometric, I wouldn't say wait, be 1:1. What to me
at the hospital do a you card and I a boy.
Everything is there.
Almost digitizing your menti. Your boy din wa ha. Uko kolebua. Your boy record. Ebeyi. O blood group. Obi bia within everything. Also. Into we a system naturally say. Kwesi say ba ha. You try or the other way or into you know. You want so applicable for. If even let's say in the event of when your BB to say accidents be cry. A professor who study out. The first thing they look for is whole wallet be a shell to identify the person. They can know where you live. They will know who to call. Say be our officer who pay blood group
or the BBA also. Sadina Dr. Baumiari yeno na gofu mum de ye na digital Baumiari.
And I say e was say enchechirimu ko. Na Ghana ne say sika we ya ye dia to budget isu ni e di ye nie.
Yes.
So I yes, I say digitization here, baby. NEBD, but I think it is very needed.
It's about for if
and I was talking to my producer.
Say it to me digitize cry. It is easy for the statistical department to track the efficacy of certain government policies. So what I say because you have the channel to reach the people directly to be able to conduct certain survey
within a short period.
Yes, yeah. Because Abrochi say the government to me broadcast it. A message to warn the people. Say where and I say yeah steady say in Subeto there's a possible tsunami a bit me see
evacuation
people around this area move to this end. Just say Abrochi but it's because of digitization.
I say somewhere in America talking about the system no.
Yeah.
They say car. When you say car, Kevin Nam will be able to the car.
Yeah.
When I'm the baby because one, he can't afford.
Yeah.
Even so afford one. And when you're my name, Kobo be at many day.
Yeah.
Tie Korea, minions can't talk. Full crab baby me. After a few, I come me feel call or command me. Nanti me do into says can be a bit. Waka collecting in a not in the baby train. Kwasekufu, somebody meeting me at Toka. What to utim and your name Kevin a team. I say, what just Hoko? I bet bed ama other road users. Does it make sense? Abrochly, America. Oka se kra wo register photo, wo register dada. Na bribia no eye pe wo from normal fa. Na se one ye, na se woni sa friends saying subscription na. Oka ne say ya na from a
impound.
Ye bet you baby at $2,000 as a chairman.
Yes.
Na and worry, system no, say a system no will take care of you. Enti be file card. Na wa chiama na bosom le so a wa twene sika na fru card ni until they men worry
it's just the same way with their healthcare system.
Yeah.
If you have health insurance it almost look especially in the UK health sector it almost looks as though say healthcare cry you free but go to the hospital without health insurance I want to say drip back can be a £400 so what I say. And
I say now me call me chrome na me nam be punim and na me say sa rails be see be panano no it be the car boom or nothing's monitoring it. I buy property.
Yeah,
I say
me no me no sika we oni car ne tax won be near there ye and ye obet no be trotro munti e kopima enye no what dia boom I say what to car ne call we can't blame him there's no monitoring system enti oko afe na aban ebesa pesika koye na sa bra obeye kwa odi ewie na afe na oye bia nkranza kwa onwie ye da be no be wie nkranza no akoye be before no asa be yes ada den de amamo enti you see ye na ma bebre ho mo I think that digitization ne camera ne ma ne mo yende me mo dia no I have the chat with my producers look sabajeti die we the way Dr. Bamia ne team ne call on digitization na I think they must be giving some money to push to do further
push
and then go further
big
now
push.
And football, dear man, open your watching.
That's it.
You're a Trump. Was it incoming second vice? Oh,
Yeah.
You're Zoro. And I'm watching the was
incoming
second vice of the Equapim North constituency of the MPP.
Sure.
Papa, Estintima Bobio, Minister and Chebat, Kakram, who said, and Okre.
Oh, you.
Estintima Bobio, and the interpersonal relationship there. You can't take it from him.
Zoro, do we need to come up 15 minutes away? I'll be who needs
Wadaroma,
solid guy. Solid guy.
Incoming second vice.
Solid guy.
And you won't pay more, say, we'll be able to come. And watch it.
That's it.
And watch it. And I know you come, and so maybe the SM, and I'm going to be a general fee.
Baffour, I'm preparing no.
That be and rubber and shell and
you can see the mark.
And your mark as him. And your mark as him. The second for one check out me could send a kawasim. A brand to me one worried. And not by and not Kawana mark at that. And then show Miss Ubiana, a brand here, Bano, I'll prepare near the day. And then so by our sound for printing, I'm proud, and there's over to.
I'm sure.
Emiliano.
Massa.
See the mark.
Oh, we are boys to Christ.
And
me so your boys to Christ. You only
Kelvin. Who producer?
Who students? Your boys to Christ. Me bacho.
DJ Crotine. Nana vibes. DJ Crotine.
Open your watching.
Adom Asheye.
And experience you. Oh yeah. Now, for me. Only delegate Gusu Kasa, Bibia de Di.
Gusu, it's only say calendar na party ashishe no. Mre no, Bibia mre. Na mo yedi kasasie. Yedi nkomo. Ewo adengu. You
afa mo ho adwen.
Yafa ho adwen. Gusu so ni nkrofo kasa.
You. Mo hunu hia se o ma sa kwanya no. Na obesom party no
mre ne so
obeso no nyam he's a fantastic guy on the come you know Najima Bobio and na me kind aje here we are see interpersonal relationship and I think he's got it and he will do come na ho bra see oba from pa na otie wasem akwa because all sides fit all ne kwadan kwa odim mpani kwa odim obi a Nyankopon sha ba ne ka wan de ochina obeba ha no ansha enya mo ko fie ko she no
ochina be special ochina be special
Kevin edeba attitude no obi e bo wasu I Christ now yo
drive no so for the theater na ne baba ko be fi no na o ring no so emia me ntime yes o se dey cut off for na fa Bible ka ho na me shira so na
ya ade ya sha ne so etu na me say ashanze no ho e ka se na ohun se mark no ho
ashenso de ne obi enim nti
opani o bachina tam
o wa sisu na se o
mo e na shemi me ba nyina me nyi e shemi se shemi
but me so no se to me she enchesa me she kakra na se ye ho ekeka me kakra nti ya na se mi
aya bra na me so trick no we me twi hunda sintoye make sure
24 karat.
Yes, and I say we may
once
I'm marking all right, but actually 1 or 2 hours, but say I flat fine. It's make sure
maybe sa
no.
Maybe so be any saying okay, say meet me there e be a change be na edam ko mana.
And also
dey be end on that change me wo be no make can change ni shape.
It's about
that say enian.
I mean esa na dwebo na about
it. Wait, the last send okay dey say o can send me adwene boni bi nti na me pese. But me share from me catch real. So what study say me un say me bo watch I mean watching watch that.
Opani watch there my bra pass and watch it come
here.
Yeah. Mo frabem nya me pe watch nti me nyiye my bread to that cry mitimi na me dey office
me watch it
na me dey ato ebia kamupo
e
bi create me YouTube bia we ba san hu bia dey ato and they very well say only bia we used to it obey ara pay no ndu bebo no na ye papa knofrata me no ka say cry na em say oya hoboa onuru ho a na aka ne so na wakotena ase na masebadwafo masebadwafo no mte ho no mte ho man yen ye de atumi amom say edan nim so ye nyina ye nko enti yeyi masebadwafo so mo nkogyan ya nam na oni dwuma man enti ne no ye nam sini ɛwɔ hɔ anaasɛ nam sifo wɔ hɔ a obetie nsɛm a aban bɛka sɛ mesrɛ mu timamufoɔ mo a motie timamufoɔ mommoa me na momma me akwanya na momfa mo nsa hyɛ aseɛ na minya saa sika nya kɔhoma sika ɛmfa mo man no ho bra san sɛ yɛde sika ɛna yɛ bibia enti ɛnɛ no ɔde wama ne abɔbɛkɔ kɔbɔ yɛna musifo ɛwɔ hɔ yɛkyerɛ sɛ wɔtie aman sɛ ne yɛtie moku apeman na yɛhwɛ moku apeman ne kasa moku apeman nti ɔmo kɔtie bi na ɔmo ahwɛ bi na ɔmo bisa mu nsɛm ɛde aman ɛnɛ ɔde ho nsɛm bɛto dwa ɛnɛ santi ebobo ho na ɛnɛ no wotietie mframa mu hwehwɛ nneɛma a ɛkɔ a analyst ahodoɔ bebree ka sɛ sene ka digitalization ɛne skill training nom ne ade areas bi a yɛhwɛ ne na agric sɛ ɔde a lot of premium ɛbɛtɔ hɔ na ɛno na ɛbɛboa ma economy no atumi agyina na atu mpɔn so also nso tema bɔbɛ oyɛ obi a skill hub ne ade o training crofo a skill training ɛka yɛm sɛ yɛwo de zama bi a yɛ na scan bi bedrum ntwada so a na matumi abie me kwabam na nkwadaa ne ɔno manom di dwuma no nso atumi anya mfa so nti o submission wɔ ho any day.
Okay, Baffour. Mamefa kwa yiso na minchia Okoman etifu nyina. Baby bia Okoman ekɔ edu fra mantem epuyi mantem na modane ade nyina wote Okoman ka. Nti ebo mabaso ene adwuma pa moye magana ene ukwapeman. Echia sawie no. Me wani swadi hu ewo ọma akwa homasika eye nne finance minister
Oracle Frata
eye Oracle Frata obekọ mrahye bedwam na odi akoto mrahye bedwafo anim na abanwei ewo enisuade hu bi owo obubu nkonta bi ahwe nanim eye ne fapem Banway fapem ba to liberate the abilities of the individual Ghanaian.
As I say, we
say yebema Ghanani ankra Ghanani no ne Nyankopon achade ene ahoden ne nimde sonko a Nyankopon de adu animu no yebema kwan na adedi na aboa omang ne mpuntu.
Okoman Radio.
Abanway hihye ye nyina no ehwe sa ade no botai no se ne ebe ya Ghana
can do spirit no.
Yes, the can do spirit no.
Betumi aye no.
Yibetumi aye no. Yaye na dedi. Eno ansa na ebe boa ama omang ni mpuntu akonanim. Esa ne se omang bia ni wa tumpon a sabe nia obedi fiti soro besi fam nyina okotofia bonten. Wo yesa o man no untumi ntumpon se ne opese utumpon no sesi aye wo hoyi mate commentaries bebree a ekoso around one warrior for and against government ewo edi nhihye bi person edi nhihye bi base meye mfibeye bieseni government wevu 50% benchmark values on import duties.
As I just saying.
Eye nkrofo a ekra niama fi amanone.
E bo
omenu mu no. Sika anase to ese wotua ma aban no. Aban che mu abien na de fa che won. O de fa che won.
Se de enti.
Se ne ebe ya.
Omenya mfaso tridi.
Mu betumi anya mfaso na won adwuma egina na won atuma kra niama bebre. Na sabre na aban ehwe ebubu nani a or the policy be aba eye one district one factory opese infrijuma eba omengnum na ne edi kan omanfo ni titiri mabun enya adwuma ye bio se ne be ya kuayo ni titiri kuayo nioma yankasa ye produce ye dua no buy na de ye wo omengnum no ye betumi adandan ani asakra ni na yankasa ye dibi yetimi akoton bi wo abonten yenye sika e de abomanum
Okoman Radio.
Aban hu se sabre no infrijuma na fiansa na wafiase wo si dansi so de enye dakro itake efa America kra nti Samre no kakra say si ame no ka say abang esi factories no mako oha ene echi oha ne aduonu ne echi which is 120 plus say si
one district one
factory no eye adwuma won start here wo ye adwuma
operation yeah
you see afoforo enso ba kakra na eno so won awie si abang botai ne say okwan benso no ye be fa nyuma ye de atintim ho no eye mfiri dwuma one district one factory no okwan benso no ye be fa ebe boa amasa nyuma wei atimi agina na nneoma wo produce no wo ye no omanfo anya ho mfaso enti abang edin susu bi ereba o kire na dwene bi say okay sesia no yen wave sa benchmark value a ye de to bia so no abang ayi Ghana ye kra nneoma pem so ko yen ports no habo ni
other crowd no
yeah na obehu nneoma Ghana ye kra sabi peduasa minu anom ne atiefo wadaroma Pieto used underwears eba Ghana
bema say okasa ne de but obesom na say ye no kase na nana semenhia ohene asakro for to so abien nana aboran wa be hyen esan say okurankra kase bi na mpani say kakum onyikwakonum say we de mesre no na ono anara modern no disem ana no pay yemoachi
ya eja
na mpom
me mpom ye
ana no de say hia wa bi
you ngam
ida actually wom
you mi ami we you
na mpom ye de
o Yehowa ya chama no pay
de ho ase na no pay odaroma wonantese
yo ana pay de
yes ya tie say echi
yo ani kan michia wati efunyina ne Ghana funyina me anantese de kichwe bi ni nyina yese yenyina yewura okapehene na watu ntesifa atumenum se mefa wo kasafre so na yenchi a Ghana funyina lititiro no okapemang ma ani okapemang wanga wo wiase afane nyina na fe so yemese yema sabri wojira kono na woni wonti na pen na pencil read asia sabri woricho BC sofi na ejina so na wo modern bo no amamfa so pa abo manga ne mo a yenya free SHS mofra ye to me akubi ene yewura ano asema ne se ore se Ghana school fua sabiri wojina akono ni nyina o hye won benyin ha se ne mpai bo ne na ade se ye wo nyankopon emeye won temgyinafo na o meye won kakaifo na infrisia biesa won akodi wo school ana ne tete saa no bebi biara a kyerɛkyerɛfo abɔmmɔdenga a kyerɛ won na sabiri West Africa Examination Council atenase atintim nsɔhwɛ na wɔrekyerɛ yi yo wanyankopɔn atumi ayɛ wɔn kakaifo na wɔn atumi akyerɛ na wɔn adi so nkunim na senior national cake yɛ free SHS no abayi na school fo atumi awuram na atewa wofo breso na sebi mpanyini sɛ mpanyini tofonga na ɛwɔ mrambuyo ebise mebuni omenyi da achin sana yempanyini bia kɔ na yensu yengasi wana yeso da achi bɛkɔ na wonso ngasi ana yenro okapanyini usade yekwasi akufu otu se bisa ne yen sɛ edusa bria na akakɔba sɛ sukufo bi wɔ hɔ asobrachi nti na won atwerɛtwerɛ apɔ ebinom kyerɛ won sere ho aye hu social media yewura se ɔsere Ghana fo ne titiri okapamma sɛ wontwi won mfi sadenum na mom sohwe no enya akomatu na mom ne ya wasua de dawo na ya wo school no mu na won adandan ani nti wonya homa na to wo ase na kan na ti ase aya nema pi ba sohwe biri ni mu a aya na ebo school fo hu ne ya wonim na aba no se no ye session A ana ye session B na bia ne obetumi aye efi number 4 a fiase fi number 4 natural ni a obetumi atworo na wate ase yie bomodi anso se obekan na wate asem ko a wode ato homa no so na wo si bua ho asem no na ye nyina ya atworo exam se ni bi pen na edu bia bia wo si menkubuo nkohwe wokra niema biara ede examination more practices beba na won atwa mon krata mu no ye nwura se ukapemangma sukufo montwum ho mfim na fe osre teacher fo nso a wo hwe mofra no so no so se eba nra ya ti bi se teacher fo no bi abomoden a kire mofra no bi niema bia teacher fo no nso ro ye invigilators ne be ye na sebi mpagaduasa ma abofra ne kan konko nanim no wo sele no so se wonju wonfum na wonya homa no ma mofra no ise won na won a kire mofra no ade a SSS ado no biri wo kiro na sebi wo be ye wodi nkunim na wo be ye mpai ni pawo ye wo kwa pen ni se ne mpai bo ni se abofra biara mo no homoden na on kiro na no watete wo social media so se mofra no bi kura wo northern region ni tichiru no na abofra bi ese o kiro sohwe no na sebi nruboni bi no economy na waja pepa na to na akiri no pese o tight invigilators no o shiro kap mamma se Ghana ni buede eni ani yakap man ndi enura se o hyemu nyina banyin ha se yo onyankopon shiru bia examination ana social chiro no enya akometu ndi obia nkan no nte ne ho ase na oncho no ni o jedi ye se afi ukap man schools ya waha benya 100% nempa bone se emere musa oserobia so se awofo no nso momodinga ene eda etoso ebiesa worikro emiso obewie no fida nti awofo no momodinga na bibi biara mofa ne hia sa do ne bri wo ba wonhye wonkuran awofie kasa kire ekoden mama eye papa one hadi angoyi oso yero ho na one verse back to their gnosis na ojedi yese obidin kudum yenwura se ochobia amovi biache medamase etiefo
yo nana anapai say yebeda wase na wano sema wadaroma ode abedan etiefo yeda se nana brese me no message
medamase papa abanya
nana ohene nana semenhye ohene asakro for to so bien na anapai ahwease apesamaka abakoma hene na nei na daroma ode sansemi abeto minia
Baffour
enti to aso free ho
you tisana na manu ngusu ameka no benchmark values ehun komo aba ban hwekwan se onko obesakra mu kakra na aboa ama nyuma ahoro a aba ewo omanum under one district one factory no to me enyanyina so because obi kokra yewa hasisi so man yankopon adom na kufado adaroma under one district one factory no yenya friend the fruit processing factories bebre enye kura beye esia ne song ewo magnuma se yeshe won kran na wodu their full capacity of production a bit to me aboa ama sika bebre ya ye carry na won say Baffour problem back one ye wo say o man say ezan say yen sika ne ye cedi na da bia dollar no ene ne koninti nipa bebre ye businessmen importers e carry sesa Ghana cedi no into dollar dina da bia no dollar na short o omanum dollar no so short a kakra wo ho no bu a won a wo no banks no ni black market fi wo no eno sana eno no wo beton ama wo dina da bia na dollar no e haw cedi no e bre cedi na se won carry sika no wo da kwakra fruit juice bebre no kwasem ba konso ewo mu ne se me nsa yo bi adwuma fruit juice a wokwakwa krefi amano ne dia ba beton na as abrayen economy na se no na businessman ba akopɛ ono wageni sika gu ne kotokum sa fruit juice no so you can't you nim mfedodo a edi ɛwɔ ne warehouse ansa na businessman no kɔkra buy ɛna mpo whether say yɛ natural do na ya synthetic artificial you see but nia ye produce wo man no mo no eye Ghana ha no eye bibia ye betumi di yenses e di ye Ghana fo yen aduaba horo wa ye dua wa ha akutu abrobe passion fruit star fruit sanyo mai abrofo tunkum a won achi no wode aye juicy na aboa na abre de bia inflation na dollar no na ekosoro na de pressure businessman no so esa ne say okoi no carry to dollar na ekosoro oba or the better so ntina de bia na prices keeps on increasing kwa na adebo ekosoro ewo menum aban na nisuade hu ne say sesi aye wo hoyi mfiridwuma ahorowa wahyehyɛ watintim ɛwɔ man no mu etwamu ɔha ne aduonu no
but I think say let's lower famra the budget no
I am
no I think that you see less time and into sabri abon non crop kakra and the budget statement and what no we are picking information from analysts who say he's looking at agriculture and skill training
very well
and digitization. So I think say about skill training, you are somewhere there.
Yeah.
And you're narrowing down to the expectation. Say indeed, say connoisseur. Well, yeah.
One of my intelligence I'm picking and I'm making about benchmark values, you know. A bio a banging is shadi when say see as of last week a bang we install 10,000 cameras across the country. I don't know, say, I think last week here, police on their social media handles, you know, started say was share videos of nipa bia road users bia wanga flout mrano ewo kwan so. They captured them. So me, I think I support government say all the ahoden be share sa hono. Niti true, Mrs. Susek is a government fear situation among say we will still you be fear say achre ICT no you be shemu tintiman wo schools from basic level no yen shemu tintiman na enyina ne nanso yiye bio eba no digitization na mesre abanso obetre mu say ye wa ha say Ekwapem North even our property rate is difficult for us to. Again, ebano uko into MMDAC assemblies na menke Ekwapem North nkwa uko assemblies na. It's about time ye digitize some of the nyama ye wo ye wo ho no. So me sha aban kuran say odi ahoden pa kese be shemu wo ho because say but for fortunately baby amatena memfi nyina dodo ne ye amanfo na ebiru gwa so ntem ha na ehɔ na health insurance one municipal office ɛwɔ na bɛyɛ mfi bɛyɛ anangni achi no bafo sɛ mredu na sɛ nkrofo a wɔn register health insurance mre society say we renew one cards na wo du hɔ na obi bɛda hɔ asat 2 a.m. na nkrofo be queue ɛwɔ office n'anim wo bɛyɛ den a wo be renew one health insurance card but say even woda won pass aban ne anamo a watu ne bi ni woda won pass kra you are able to renew your health insurance. So me mesha ban kuran say onfa hoden hye ho bio eba no in ECG prepaid wo pese woda wodan sisi alpha phone wa bo wo sika nko a wo wallet mu a you are able to buy prepaid data and as a credit now they go meter so bio health insurance say abanwe a digitize wa merge health insurance ID no number no obia health insurance number with wo Ghana card number. It is our health insurance card. Ayira, ukra Ghana card. Now the hospital, they should be able to take care of you because say siano, wo health insurance number and wo Ghana card number. Abano akabum. Again, wo wo Ghana card number and wo SNIT number. Abang akabum. Now, tax identification. About for problem back over the years, and over the years, Ghana bank has suffer back a year deficit, budget deficit. We hear na manone for be so as and son aquahuma sika would be ball who brasse or man what to me enya the I am put to Juma into say Osha Obono na say Berenuson. No nya sika na ma we a ana wantumi ani bɔhyɛ no so a na kyerɛ sɛ nkonta a wode ubui de wani hwɛe sɛ wobetua na mombi na sɛ sika na ebefi amanɔne na aba no na de bia ama na ho akyerɛ adwuma no wantumi anyɛ then you have to carry it over to the next budget year, you see. But say sia no abanga na mo a orutu ni bi ne sɛ digitization inti wo Ghana card number, national ID number no, is now your tax identification number. But say man, problem back one you face. I make sure say finance minister Beckham who asem a 2 chia. And no de ye mohumoting say man. Into the be a to na koye on fuel, petrol, diesel, gas, because I need the akama obiya yusubi obiya tenake mu into tenake mu na driver no or the ato sunu we jew okoto petrol na no we tua sa to no emboyen say o man na de bia na ma ho kwan ma this petrol politics ni ye de how ye hu ye de say niema wo manum but say ye na obiya say o man na ye me hu say o manfo. But for you to come, be to comfy Ghana or Tra Ghana shit, no quatna or manful biaso. Say Ghana near. A sense of Oposo Juma or Hunti. Ubinya krata, Unya kratana, or ye Juman Utiana tax a fisson. Merson, self file tax returns. UK, and our US, and our Canada, and our Italy. It's a mad rush. Obia to America. It's an say a hot day. Bibi wo what when say only pass messy way or ye juma. And I mean ya quesikano. When your tax now oko health oko hospital. Immediately they will prompt you say this. If you oko call will phone boot to mukra. They're able to track where you are. They will cross a red light. They will follow up on you. No have be prompted say this why is sound from see. So this is the way to go. The way to go. I be buying ama yet to me raise revenue, enough revenue internally. Na boa or magnet chichiri. Again, make sure kwan say budget way yes na udi kan no in agric. But for ehu hia yem papa. Share bra Abangwe introduce planting for food and jobs. No. Ahonke capsule kubia ebe show manfumu. About for my personal experience. Baby amete. Men kai the last time me to brode. Ade offering se brode. Onim ni enti.
Yare be chawa na.
Dabi. Esane se nyankopon share da na Ghana. Em so bia Odient na baby yeti. Baby bia yeti. Me dangachi. Me obum brode be ye nua be ye 15 bi wo ho. Oh, I subia 3 weeks or me fan 1 month bia. Me ntwa kura mtwa brode 2. ya ahen ne ewufie kakra bi enti ene ansana obedi we ya besa na we nsia ahani a say aye enti hardly or I don't mean top brody and a young cransha able to be a share na mo mehwe say aban dia hoden be hye sa ho agric sector no say technology aba enunti yatra aso ne dade nkoa afuye no technology wo ho mehwe kwansa aban dia hoden be hye sa ho no na we create this farmer services centers no baby a wokɔ na wopɛ machine e dey plow wafu a you see I believe saban focus we ebeboa omang no impuntu because me nkontabu me susu say yenya groups e be 10 young people in a group na saban criticize centers na insa asase ye won sase abang ne nananom kasa ye won sase a o release ma sa groups abang se ebia ekwapem north me groups sa my groups in kakran 10 in a group obia sa group bia about 20 acres of maize group bia na see you 10 how many acres are about 200 acres of a bro. Ebi another group. And so yeah, ebia yenha assassin ebia edibua se obeye banchi. And you see banchi industry no, and you see a big starch, ethanol, even eba into poultry production, poultry feed production. Banchi is very, very, very important in it. So me shaban kran say sa hono obetru mu yenya service centers across the country. Say na be ya if ekwapem north nko we are able to get about 500 acres of maize across even yemfa no so ekwapem hanko ekwapem south ekwapem north okere. We'll get about 1,500 acres of a bro. A bit to me as supply. And a bit to me a boy and needs near ye here a war kwapememu. Bio other areas. So a who here say be karisika. Yebe karisika. E dia kwashe akoto a bro if you be manso. Na only pa on mumu economy. Akosro there be. Again abang ehwe say the poultry industry no ehonso odi ahomden kese erehye ho say ne be ya na idimintumi nkan kese but nkokon nam a ye krafia manone edi po manyi mu meanwhile ye Acro Farms ewa ha so Acro Farms wa ha Acro Farms can produce like every season and every 3 months or 4 months the Acro Farms can produce about 7,000 plus bears. A bit to me a supply, a bit to me a feeding. You see, ye boy any Acro Farms mu ahwodinga. Obi to me a ye be 100,000 bears, 200,000 bears. A bit to me their supply. Other farms so abang ahwoding ni direction okay. Me jedi say ebeboa me hwe kwan say bio odi ahwodin be hye on sa ban introduce planting for export about some crops beer aban introduce that is cashew coconut and other crops beer aban introduce aban kontabumu no osusu say yedi yang ahoden over the years yene nanom modern bo ewo koko yem koko agina oman yachia for so long abua oman okwan bensu bio ne yebefa yebesan anya aduaba fofora eno so betumi ebe play a role senia koko aye no nse cocoa area eyi na say yenya kube ana cashew another commodity a ɛho yɛ na ye very 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 expensive on the international market.
Atia.
Yes, atia. Inti abang ɛde ahoɔden rehyɛ hɔ sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a yenya oil palm, yenya kube.
Oil palm de sabe cannabis. Ne dia na dia ne bi. O de na cannabis ne
mefu mme ɛyɛ abɛ. Abang de ahoɔden rehyɛ hɔ sɛ yebetumi ayɛ abɛ.
Na sɛ omo che kube.
Oze.
Na sɛ omo che kube.
Yes. Kube yebedua kube na ɛno because ɛno so yɛ ɛno so ɛwɔ international market no ɛyɛ commodity a ɛho hia papa in the industries no ehia ɛba no what can it then cashew a so abang ɛhwɛ kwan sɛ saa aduaba ahorow nyina so ɔbɛpagya mu ɔde ahoɔden bɛhyɛ mu na ɛno so de sika kɛse atumi abrɛ ɔman no so agric sector no mɛhyɛ aban kuran sɛ ne kyikyi ɔde n'ani so bɛhwɛ mmabun no ɛba no skilled training bafo mame ntwe ɔmanfo adwene mu na biribi so bronya ba abɛdi so you will see a lot of confectionaries wobɛhu a lot of dɔkɔdɔkɔ nneɛma yɛ tafritafri wobɛhu a lot of toys a ɛbɛba ɔman no mu because obroni ɛde n'ani target yɛn say Africans okay we don't have this thing yɛntumi produce way so wɔn bɛyɛ wɔyɛ na yɛ kari sika businessman bi akari sika na the pressure to yɛn sika no so wɔ ha wakɔ krasa toys yi di aba ɔba ɛyɛ ɔman ne sika ɛna ɔde akɔyɛ saa de way but you see kwan bɛnso ne yɛbɛfa saa nneɛma wei yɛbɛtumi anya yɛ mmabun you're training one with skills because when you go to China, see, young guys in a cottage industries, a human getting industry getting and yet CBR emun what should I produce? But they produce and they get their market. You see, so kwambe suna omang nso betumi afa eno ne aban focus say imebung skill training
Okoman Radio
skill training odi amodin be hye ho yetumi atetew youth no aye mebung no e ka mebung aye mrante no nko a mmea no so that niema bi ehu hia yen daadaa setena yen daadaa brabo so e omang yebetumi nya yen mebung yama won skill again but for me hwe kwan say abang behwe sa ha about skill training. You see China no what I say yen some 20 years 30 years back no what I say yen but deliberately and in the hope China bang here na adwene say obe export ni young talents no and I say youth no or should that going to kwang their target is not so kotana akobo bro nemum to acquire skills. Their target is the technology. So me hwe say me sha ban kuran say no de nani e hwe mabung adwuma ne mabung tetewe no obebubu sank obehpia sa ho no na yetumi acquire technology because in we are no it is technology driven eye abefo kwanso ena we are no echo and intimate me shaban kran say e ho so behwe ho na yen mabun no watete won e wo abefo kwan a wo fa so e sakra niema no wo ye niema. You see in a kwapem here uko about 3 or 4 years back or say 2 years back McGee's manfi Methodist girls one top on world robotics And this is the way to go. They are good. So let's share a bankura so the neighbor share sakwan way so. Because in there, you might be brave or aba ubedu on robots no ye. Ejumani fan. Name when we are able to develop ni ya acquire technology na yemmebu na coding and robotics will be to me a yebia. Yebitumi dia ye nyuma horo akese bebre na aboa omagnim puntu. So me shaban crown ho. Again, we share abang any suade hu about TVET, technical vocational
education.
Yes. Abang dia modern kese sesi ya ka say. Abang esi about 15 new TVET centers across the country. I think it is left with only Western North region. Pe na abang ye bi wo hoye. Me shaban kran se odi nani be kire ho ye. Na wasan ajebi aka ho se ne be ya. Yen adesua en yen abrabo se omang. So enkoye grammar da bia nemum ebaba no skill training and technology based training. Me je di say beboa. So me say me hwe kwan say finance minister in this presentation today, this will be the focus. Na me je di say beboa omang no ene omang nim puntu enye da bia na bibia sabi fiti ntri be say toothpick impempro keke impempro yes cedis into dollars
And the akokra.
no be akokra
Na ya dia
it
ba.
can't we
Meje wa no si ye metwa me kakra na mabeto so anapa se uti a ha your command 97.1 for Okoman Kasa Jumedi anapa me ne era enokatram no dona friend Zoro incoming second vice chair for the MPP in the Kwapim constituency baba na onapa wa be boa me ye hwe se ne budget sem no ebi besi akwafa na ye ka kosi se wa wo fini so akwanya wo text message WhatsApp 0551667755 0551667755 obetimi afre na ebi a wonso wo bibia wo hwe nimu a watimi e dia tudwa 0551667755 eno e number betimi afre oko Facebook so Facebook yes stream live Okoman Radio be Okoman TV to call obe say yes stream live on Facebook and YouTube so Okoman Radio 97.1 obe hu yen e wo ho bia na pese ye bo odwato de uda roma won so adaroma odu ani kire ekropon ekwapem amanfo ye Akufu Road ye ne Parliament Sport in the dia na mehwe Kane Jubilee Gardens ono ma anyi ndie Jubilee Gardens no kai ye bo ne nchen mu pesa ene oba ebetimi tutonia na ya bo odwato de uda ro e dia ma obe frɛ 0246 435565 0246 435565 and 0266 200 222 0266 200 222 na onimpani adikita me ka o se anapai oye obi a wotu obi fie ferata how was as kakra bi da baabi ensuro edan si de yesi enyasafo na si dan esa se adwuma sika komo ema enji se onye obi obeboa no strategize ena japaye ene waba teacher for nurse for adwumayefo adwadifo nyina oboa mo ama matimi si dan se wusiesie dan no ifie na pese wusiesie ana so pese osini foforo say aban anase dentia ene ajapaye construction and general merchant anapai eniema ne de ubenya na ne papa no ene ajapaye ho quarry blocks of 5 and 6 inches and sand blocks 5 and 6 inches hollow blocks and also sa and our 5 and 6 inches anapai ode to awo cars si ho okoya ne alodu ne de ama anye kobra asem ene blocks no enyagro papa bi anapai opanwia open no se ode ebrewo ode bebrel tripa na open Reno ana open Kia abobo ya ne nyina akwa obesa na ode abrel eno twemu a abo ade si dan quarry die no ne frɛ no ode say quarry die no ayi quarry stones yes exactly okwa NNA ode bebrel chippings na ode si dan na ho ode bom kama and open Kia open Reno open Saudi patrol kese no double lazo ana se open no China bucket ni nyina or the ebebrel iron ross ena ensuo so by the way nyina adanse hu niema de ne twada so no eno ane ajapaye na abenya ne nyina na de akosi wudan na dan ahode abam na onso so watimi anya ba bi de uti ato ye say ye bisa onipa ne fie na enye ne sika odaroma ebomode a ne hunu ajapaye twiban no na omwao na enema ntimi nkonkan emfamao ajapaye enya no kwa owo band ene wunya yie uye program dwumadi biara ene ajapaye band obeba na odi abebo edi amao na wonso yehunu sampa o premani bomade afọ ne chedewu filling station no eho na ene ajapaye bo onedi animhwe na omeye niema emfa emao Frere 0244 719 814 0244 719 814 nene ajapaye enikta ho ajapaye Mr. Uku anapai oti enka ya mawache pa wabaso bebo ko apeman Don Pablo Pub o seminka o se enedie ni padua kwa ne hia nnuanu ahodo nye ne nya na bekoto nuro ene nnuane no wadi no ekapu wo se bra no ma ne friend shake ya ka shake ye nnuanu ahodo ene no baya ahodo fruit no mni ade ene nei wodi akeka bom ebi kwadu banana shake ebi strawberry no dey shake amount na mango shake ya mango yi ene wudi a maskin ye kama ne padua ne hia emu nnuanu ahodo snow white shake, carrot and mango shake with the frafrasa na eno so kama carrot and banana shake and a mixed fruit shake, mango, carrot and ginger shake, virgin snow white shake and ni nyina shake ahodo ene oye de manwa na wonno mo se mame madinu ani nroi ama ni padua kwa no ehon sisi ne ho so osa ton wine enti sell per wine na odo fata ba bia no nya ho bi ope wine ko ho na oncho wan mu ahodo wine egu ahodo na wachira we eyese we efiri ha we eyese na watimi agibi na de akocha odofo na watim dibi so akofie bomode akọ Mandela Junction na Christ Junction ehon ne obutu also mamanfo o ye dwumadie biara say ye party engagement wedding outdooring dwumadie odibia na odaroma bomode amanfa na kande mra na omeye bi ma wawo enu se woni abie o premani pa bomode afre 0557734882 0557734882 and 0552302607 0552302607 na ene empani ayewo Don Pablo Pub eni ekita ho ena na pay shoe fabric ensaminka o se ensa na adwuma no ensa na didie na se metietia ena adwuma ba adwuma ba oyo bi a unim se ne yesi pamade ene ne wawie kura bomodia fo ahoden unim de ne kɔ shoe fabric na ene yemoa pa na ebenya adwuma ne bi bosom so wanya kakra hye botom tabia da meka se onya adwuma na BBC akora na nye wane de ne abu de ne asams akoi watch ebone na onya adwuma na de bia yira ha zero board de gina he ba ko ne atwai eno na de ne be sounds kura na nye wa odaroma osra na oko shoe fabric na yaboa enti obi a wonim ade pam so ye obia so ye barima odaroma fa application ebra na efa beto Okoman radio ha Fabra na 26 November aba na mpanifo ensanforo mu na onhwe ne unikita ho ne efa dwuma ensha unsa na onso beka winning team shoe fabric ho ne ye shoe kopon kwapem pomodia Fabra wo so yokwapini ba wotim potam ha ubu ade na udi uhuni na ede adwuma hye unsa so a wohwe so yie mfiri dwuma na akoye no wo so yo bi a wadwemu da ho fan na watimi ayama na ayekama na onso so wanimate na oyo bi a udi uhuni oye adwuma ne wie waprapra ba bia wen fefefe o machine ho kama na ne matimi akọ na utie yie na wo HND fashion design dia ene no watu adi kra na emom no wa SS oyo bi a uni paper kra na de open ho a bra ya do be fantitie mu na ne matimi akọ kama e de ama the shoe fabric anopa insempa was me fanto omanfo anim eno no wo de eba beto ha onom sabeka na wadi ho dwuma e de ama Peace Monzori sana pa Okoman Kasa Baffour dia bosome 9 na wasuso beko suku a efa ne ko ba bi na wani akodi wachi se me bai ne ho ye de ne ye no shoe fabric mu fa ncheme Peace Monzori Feed Monzori ho ne ne nkoda ne ko na okonye titie na be ye mamba pa e de amaye fa ba ne ko teacher form tima bo bi odon koda na odi nkoda ni na oboa nkoda ma otimi nya obode ne pe show mu no etimi ba na otimi aye mamba pa edi amabusuane oman eno ene ka ho asemi asemden se school dan mu soso enti ne enkonwa hye ne kama social distancing ansana ene akwada bia school dan kwada dumienu bia emum teacher ni ba ko omye bro kwada ne bro dumienu above 12 pe emum teacher for mienu na watimi aboa nkwadaa no security yɛ tight nti wode akwadaa no kɔ a na wobɛkɔ no hɔ no asa akɔfa wadeɛ wɔ bus ɛnam sa nkwadaa yi na de wɔn aba nkwadaa no ani gye wɔn ho papapapa na wokɔ peace bonjour nkwadaa deɛ a ɛneɛ na borɔfo akwapem twi na wɔmutumi abɔ bi paa ɛne impracticalness ne di animhwɛ wonim impracticalness a woduru baabi a ɛyɛ shoe fabric kɔ na wonam anim hɔ a na wokɔ anim na school yi ɛne impracticalness ɛdi animhwɛ yi frɛ 0200177676 0505 829261 0505 829261 0200177676 0279 267 523 nani penny eni ekita ho na esaba studio ni abedi nkita ho betimi afre 0551 667755 0551 667755 uko YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 ubom se stream live ho na se woko Facebook so a bon Facebook live and also over here Okoman Radio 97.1 FM na and also no do ho abedi enkoma ye boy emu.
Yo, me just go back to my pa. O bo my ka pim no. Na mi sure be.
Sika di oni pa be kwetire. Sika ma so ye twa twade. Amara o akame. Odoko di obi masu. Ani pa ko di baby. Enjomeni a okro. Come on, don't say, Victoria, any time, everything. It ain't got you, Mama. Big portraits, I don't want you. Me day. Big portraits, I don't want you. I'm a swear. When you want to say, I don't want you. Dynamic, big portraits, I don't want you. When you want
Neka say, Mommy's joint back up it. A man for a kufu room. Okoman radio. Oh, my champion, Mati. Okoman from my bank and you. Can you cry? Must say, baby, yeah. Minimum one grow cry, no poor you and a drew. There should be a museum. When you size what?
Minimum say, plenty of Musa. What you want for you? Oh, I could be mouse.
Okoman Radio 97.1 number 1 Bechi Radio HHT na inchi de edutwam Okoman Radio is number 1 so yeba cha ye number 1 so ofie pe. Thank you.
Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio Kongela Papala Yole Okoman Radio 97.1 no fe no kone nuwe ko netu.
Shame. DJ. This is dog. Be correct, so don't want you know. Me day. Be correct, so don't want you know. I'm a sweat. When you must say, so don't want you know. Dynamic,
Anapai say ote enyumi ya na te say odofo baby dia na say ohun ya kire pa. This ya mo kanini ha say me ho akire pa. Because odo ho akire na say me na me ho akire no so na de ho akire no. What's it?
To me call ko
ko airport eguso. Yeni abre.
Yes, a cropon de na eguso.
Dabe.
Eguso.
Mo de I baga.
Airport no.
Mo asase no way.
Oh, I don't grab mu a. Oh, play to me a see me boy. Helicopter. Yes.
The last time it was a helicopter by say just to move do promo.
And see ache but enu achi pen be police. And don't worry.
One of these days meton safrel na yako drive. Me tie shadows you me timi ko drive kakra.
Okay.
And ram ne kwese je ni Korea for baby o crow say baby please for no they say please okay please baby on say boss man say
yeah. Boss man say
I'm no mu baby say no ya fa hard na say wo ma me ko drive ma be hwe nyina na no so me differ abri na me fa don't in school anymore na me sane fa for more me na mo pokromu me na ma me ko dun sam kromu pi.
Oh, okay.
Na me say ne Dani hosi.
I want to see them in person so.
I'm saying hun kroni bi. Pokromu. Photobi.
Pokrom. Because I could do ahonjo.
I saw ahonjo, yes.
Now we do wood fiwa, now we do odeyaw. And so we do in some chrome. Jam chrome crash.
Yes, I think I saw that.
And so we do in some.
And they do such junction.
In such so. Attack chrome. Among fro.
Obo Adaka junction. Yes. I'll cut my code. Maybe Kofi you carry any question kro ya. Say omo kudi fufu. To me for
Obo Adaka.
And to me them ticket nam say omo yakona me ko hwe ho. Me say what answer for me remember 2018 because you twenya doa na chro ba bi consulting room and prescription dispensary na dey na hey Midi machia.
Oh, where is your chrome?
Midi machia.
When you chrome
today, quite a brandy. Which one I may show him? Eja Omeo no be no buy. But Yana,
I for 1 year be there.
Oh, so say room namely had the coming. Enti no kwasem ni say Ninya na me hwe krom na me hunu krom na me hunu emia no. Asem ni ba na ye ka na matimi connect ye. Ti na no ada na me differ ho say me hwe se ne ma fa obre pen a check.
Okay.
Na me fi nkran besia cook nkoko.
Okay.
And I'm drum check that right look yem fa ha na
abri na wesan.
Ti for ha na ye no kwe free some dey be see ni say.
Okay.
And ye dey be see ko enti na no dey me free say na me ko e.
Okay.
And me san buy. Ti na say remember those questions. I'm link that no look let's go for a drive.
Wow.
A friend me drive let's go. And I say come to the funny say ti drums fa. Ti one say na me sa.
And he said that cron so e do co drive. E do fa the sambi poya. E do kwa moso a. Ya fam e wo ho.
Kwa moso ye dey way.
Oh.
Yes. Kwa moso ba bia motor junction na wo.
Motor junction ya fam wo ho. E kwa kupi obum ni apie otwitiri ni asan be si mabon kwanta.
Okay.
Ya fam akoma ngo aseda.
Dabi.
And one of these days we have
no me person me kona. Na no me fa Mexico ada akwa safari na moko. Say me fa Kofodia from Krakaya, me fa do chrome ni adena metisi mko.
Okay.
Yeah, I remember that trip.
Okay.
But and na me fa asasa na makwane so.
Okay.
I was say pebre na so ye fa ho am ko say je mako ma 14 mile na brand.
14 mile.
Yes, ya ko ho na din na.
Gary Junction.
Yeah.
But would send you
na fa ko so many Makosomnya through a chrome.
Oh, okay.
One me ye fa latte. That was the first time I'm going like a real latte and funny and you could see
Ayikuma. Then I'm far left.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And ye fa a chrome sa free. Ye fa abacha hono. The dog region and pay drink. Enti e mo ye call rounds na me hwe near my city. na
one of these days yeah no you be sanga ye ba ko udu adoso adoso market ho na ayi mango asekwan wo right on your left adoso zongo nu
but my fa so akosi ayi ensawo mu pen
okay
yeah maybe
okotomu
I know some say na me ma but na ye ba bibia look let's use this road
okay
I'm say Gen Bank Mrs. Roho baby
yeah
but you see I love to explore kwa nyina mitimi tu ka na me na ya me nkora na ye hwe nioma sometimes unama na wodwen na you talk to yourself and you're able to assess a few things. One of these days you do that.
We would have to
one
do
of these
that.
days. Only say for security reasons, you baby ayeko. And I say, you check that because so. It thought I fuck away so. You better for.
You better for.
And it test him na. It ni share your money di. And other pay happy entertainment semi car. Se kaneno na ye nim enti epenkonwa canopy any spinning machine near drew temane kofro duane nkran there be say there happy entertainment that Roma or the ben mafi heya okwa nkonwa etiapo ene wa hot na so bi nkoten hwe o na wakotwa gwan na kabafi ngwase aba ofrobi programmer o ma ka say asemazi program do be ko ebe kwa na nkonwa ne no akote ahwe na ano canopy bitiye ma be gu o ma ne wase ase a na eye reho ye mpese bi beto entene yeruna ko fitu ada Roma with happy entertainment light and sound system aba open light and sound system papa spinning machine papa a boy more da ada Roma and one happy entertainment light and sound system and then ye di eye juma momodia chubeno na nin panini komo se juma dia wudi bia no obeboa ama wonsa atimi aka bi and say wedding say engagement and awo ye say convention as a rally me pa chow and sebre konam kufrudiane temane ade eno ane ya ma fi heya irakuvitu ada Roma udru ho mo everflow susu no enche ho pe na onedi kita ho ranted the car be yi no de egu ho de amount osemi sanfa kwanya en kanche mabu ni se upadwuma ya se spinning ana se upese nkonwa hihye se ne yesi canopy no se ne yesi DJ ni ade na se band chenchenche bi ode ba ne nyina momra na mofa ho adwene na mommeboa adwuma na adwuma ntimi ntumpon na ene onyam hye kese emra ospeja kakra de hye obotom na woni mate na woni mabanyam kama na no pay yede mama ne ebo wo bomadi afre 0275 042 594 0540790012 0275 042 594 0540790012 na any penny any enkita ho. And I pay say Oti kan check say come my friend sister Fia we ke track say pa ukọ adu kromu presby school business technical bi shemu ho
Edutech
yes I think say hono butua within anoba oti kan ye mo achi ukọ adu kromu ho Edutech kwa me madamfo Mr Jampo oti me kan no pe me chiao me ka Jampo dey yes na I was say me chia me papa Anthony Jampo kane DC edema akwapem north area Jampo wan point me kan mama mamachi mo latte mo ben Beku secondary school no anopa da oti enka ye mawachi na no aba medi komo na Bruno ka say it was so refreshing and we would love to have you again.
Ne magels ni ye Sunday school for.
Oh sir, in fact unfortunately the baby na oni me nante say obini no fa say ache Timo fa preko
bro PTC or child PTC.
Koran ba ho.
Oh yeah no oba
why are there you have impacted so much why are there.
Oh me Sunday school for.
Wow.
They are very beautiful girls.
And anopa da oti enka me Uncle Zoro the incoming second vice of the MPP Akwem constituency me wa Akwem North constituency.
Yeah.
Exactly. And I mo ache umpom today. And enchankoma your friend Miss Gloria and so owo Dawu anapai Okoman Radio na mfo ha nyina se ochiao omoache na umpom enso today. Kusi akisiwa enso ewo Richness Hotel. Akosia anapai unso umpom today. Ya mamu nyina ache munkoswa mo dwumapa ene adwumaden enfama Ghana ene oku apema.
Odokodi obi masu. Adipa kodi baby.
Arapa shoe fabric for you na mama Miss Beauty on today. We about Beauty Oleki Labi on general manager at the shoe fabric Arapa OT and car. A very good morning to you. Also to you, Belinda Tete. Belinda also one poem today on your group account. Belinda, Mamma Tonko, say me can say applause for. And your shoe fabric or any Jafaku Watin project manager. Papa at the shoe fabric. Arapa also your mama shoe fabric you may phone na your mama chimo poem today. Mokoswa na mumojumade na mumfamwa ema ejumano enyina brand. Kama. Basa de ane wasi ye call Acro Farms. Na yechia miya Gideon. Gideon opa yote meka bro. Mechiao yeho ansu nshira bebre ewo eye enkomone adoebi awaye meno yeho nshira pa enkoma eye Acro Farms fo nyina no pa yemoti enka ya mamache. Mukoswa na muso momojumade na mufa entire chi. Mazoro yensi form na am say nondu aka meet be say ensiana nondu abo sene na me ko ne befa live fan live wa ha enti ye behwe na yakofa achi na to form wi a e bebobo kakra na ya sorry so enti ye hwe say expectation beba sene ye ka no
yeah sesi ade ni aye kan eye expectations na eno so na omanfo hwe kwan say finance minister obetu hu anamo and aban no so ani suade hu say obeye nioma bi sene kan skill training agriculture kuyayo no fuye ene moayen nyina no aban na ni suade hu no ye hwekwan say finance minister ebebo hu amane ena bio sesia no ne se ye kana eto manfo nyina atrim ne se eye post covid budget inti nyema bia na ye hwekwan bia akese bebre no sesia no senia economy se wo wiase nyina ba fam ejurugui no we are rebuilding young economy no back. I remember this profound statement His Excellency the President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Ose bringing back the human being. No? He doesn't know how to bring back the human being, but for the economy, he knows what to do. He knows how to bring the economy back. So enoho anamuntu na sesia abang no oritu sene ebe ya economy no eba afemo no kwa ebe fa so a obehye na obesesa no bio ye nyina jetum se covid ebedi edi wiase nyina abone ni tichiru Ghana edi yembone pa asai nioma nanso abangi modern bo ani ni nsusu pa ne akoma pa odere ye adwuma no you can see say the near future is very, 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 very bright.
Area Zoro say ebeda say anopai yenua Ozias teacher ewo okwapeman anopai so or class nti obone tetetew na odi abeka yensa Ozias ye mo akwaba
eja
boko de
eso adom na so e
nice one say ba akron de code ma me mo code no obi hu ahon de
ahon de nanti
that's good to say
adom we akoyi
very well and then na ye hwe pre-budget discussion and yam say yakoya nim bia na enche 10 o'clock na odi share 10 dem say aka to nebro aka aboy enti em say ye be mo akwaba na wakaba ko mienu bi na yakofa ebia ye post discussion na eho no wachire obobre
me say I said the idea is say me fa nchiama Okoman staff ni na teaching and non teaching
Okoman staff omutie o
omutie me pa o ye tie mo pa o
yeah damasi it's staff common room home
yeah
very well
and I want for so tie wo phones
wow we appreciate it
and the course ho bia mo ne ho bi
yeah that's it
and BC for so
Bobi din na teacher for Bobi din na chia
especially my HOD IGA was 82
Euro 82
Euro 82 I'm HOD oti
headmaster is saying
headmaster Papa Asofo
hey Papa Asofo
but as only honum I'm call program be Northern region
chance for no
chance for and see the only honum and we akoyi
Oh yeah.
Yo, me da say as a budget ni dey. We share TV so na only
Madam for IGP crowd also charge ho.
IGP hopa.
Madam for IGP.
Accounting. Yo, Mati.
I no accounting.
Accounting.
I'm class on economics.
Oh, that accounting. But I say economics na accounting. They intermarry.
I guess we are friends some maintenance na
Mati.
Budget post discussion
obebe.
Na bro bia e make calculator bia so bobo man no.
Figures ni na there na especially percentage areas on.
Exactly. We budget some maintenance. IGP are out here car you watch one for today. Did you actually say? Did you actually say?
Kwejo
every year.
Say Joe. Yo, IGP are pay. Kwejo is every year IGP you watch out pay. To answer your call.
Yo penny as a budget we there. E idea uni nam krom. Be radio, we share TV so enye easy. Especially from Ghana Association of Ghana Industries, AGI for concerning taxes ni benchmark value na de ade. O share mabu amu okruma mu ni adwuma e. Any sa entrepreneurial innovation na abandi ba no. Enti a highly expected budget. And then some hwe kwan e benya ska. Any fiscal discipline no. Say yen o share debt a cost o share say the inflation equals to 11% a year. We are expecting government to do something. And you know, people are estimating whether we increase our expenditure or there will be some sort of discipline. Senebaya will not further worsen the inflation rates now. And this is a highly expected budget. And to share 2021 budget now concerning job creation, 1D, 1F, and then youth in afforestation and a whole lot. And I will share say Manslock, near money, yeah, microphone ma mo wie e friend say napco ya say I see e be more mo letters na there no
some science bio no see general commercial for bio
good and I hear the way for say the number they will recruit again and at those road to near asem and as a budget with there is highly in expectation across the sectors of the economy.
And you came and a form.
And I share agri sector crampono. Send a price is a cost people are relating it to fertilizer. Subsidy, any shortage of fertilizer in the system, and saying Minister for Agri, good, because of the speculation and crofaya about the prices now. There is a shortage of the fertilizer, and this has so and now people are projecting say there will be shortage of food in the near future, and honestly, there be budget way a budget be.
But me personally, Nana Mitaika say. A combeba Ghana, a nye bi anuane no ba ni ho na mom bia ne bo no nti ntimi ntonie obediame
good
fa binti ni nyana na say budget we dey
and I will share explanation as well. We say yen agriculture is weather dependent and say weather no failure kakra pe na ma shortage na ma supply no we say last year the major season in the southern sector nya drought bi and that has trickling effect multiply effect in the near future and I facing na you and a couple with transport technology. And the amount prices are in some na microphone cano.
And yes, stable. You can't really hold on to it. Yeah.
And the inflation cost this September, November to 11%. And this is a budget. We share other sides of the political players. Now they are as an insinuations now be a casting until the budget.
A bit top from yeah.
A bit top from
Yenya Ozas na motene kanya sebre. Yebehwe na say na yakfa a year. Budget no yen saka presentation via ya fe betans na yabobo wan say beko yie ebeboa yen na yahwe se ne nema besi akọ afa enti sana enema esi akọye afa enti anapai se utie ya medin ede Kofi Ansong Baffour wetin from KB anapai kwesi agye pa kwesi agye Michael kwesi agye producer Courageman ene kwesi agye citizen honorable etainachi Yenya Kelvin upon side AK the Diamond akwatia consolidated Diamond papa honene watena ko suku enti nidin the Diamond no chese ono hu bida shen obi kro de be bonese no so ware a odi ahye ne se kama ebi so ha ye de man no de be obo be ware no tie yi a odi Diamond tua ka wane so na wona me hu se Diamond re na everybody eno nana percent nice guy pa heavy and DJ Ziggy DJ Ransford Darko aka Nana DJ Nana DJ Nana DJ I don't offer Krunti Amwakad Kruma do friend Amwakad call your friend Amwakad and Amwakad Adiana Amwakad ni nei akonwa no etono a ne nana DJ na edinachi na eze cover so patch no wo fa wo asemo enti yeso adisa na ebesa aba na yaba abetoa eniema so where they way what's saying obi afrefre okugwa se tibia bi koso ho konfa no chifie ho so obi hoho bi aba ho na where they hey Kevin mama honya ha yese ohoho bi ofrinfrin hi o odu akugwa konfa no che eniema wa ho na boni bi ni ade no oyi ni be ma wo se oyoba be ma ho yese ne tata wajuso guso yese wakagina ho okoenko obema enti na emnu kese yese yese statue gina ho enti Kevin mebo room na makohwe ho asem frena ye omai ayi no se ne tie no na ye fie ni krotwa bi so nkohwe we de oka budget ne so kohwe ni so ade ye be de kwa beti ni kanim ni akohwe obi akonyo so konfo anoche ayi so a ene wakagina ho ni party ne ho ase a wompe ade boy enkoji ho achiye me ba yesim na ho me twam koba
Okoman any inside abori gwa
ena akoyi gymnastic ye do ye chichiga na he
mama bi ho na my fan dey agro
Yesu Kristo owo tumi pa abra Satan ka say uyo nyakopon ba mpa to efo sanka baka se me abofo be so me o say free me so ko na yakase nso
no kram ye sure say wa bon pa ansa na okasa asem no
yes ansa na bra okọ sie bia na Francis for be so chinuku no o so fa o montem no bane ogane so ho enti na e ko so the electricity wo hoyi na nem say live and a neutral any you know akoso live nim say in the name of Jesus in the name of Jesus no so mo ubewu Yesu no wanye ubewu wahunu
because Yesu
Yesu you so adwen enter Bible ka say knowledge is power for so unya nim dia the knowledge will set you
na just bia obon for wisdom
ebu esi we encounter
o se monton nim dia na mamonton
good obani ebu esi we encounter ensi wo so etribe bia so
enya urina nso
then they say enye rina
you na so hospital hono
what boda ma fakotra
fie
obani yebo wachi adopai
ja mina
umpom today
adom na so
yo adaroma enkomo ebedi ebesu bo din na ehunu se oye credible one ene ne ka say
okay ya friend na no fe yeah
okay oje na ka say
Mankasa se di mi gina ekropon akugwa ba de ekropon na mete
wo ekropon na wono ka se ba kopie mu akugwa den do akopie akugwa
mi rikama ko wo friend den edukrum na mi du akugwa kwamfa no chimu fie nanim wona amafo abodom wo ho nti enim se wo ready wo nga pa se nti bia as usual bia wo ya amane ne ade wo ho but mi du ho nom na mi gina ye mehwe na se ya sampu kwa na esi wo
de asem na esi ho
misi na mi tuben enkof no wacha wo ubewura to konfa cha efie no entrance wa wo nifa so no obubi da ho a wo ya amane wo so ansana ubeyumpa boa na gu abra na na ase ni wawura finim na wacha papa bi a na ni afi mehwa obetimanya be 70 65 70 papa woso wachema woso jama ofi tutu na obai no woso ohwehwe okonfa no chifi ti onipo osi ne so no direct na pe no so bia ohwehwe na nsa kan ti wokyere no wura fie ho ana se odu obo ne so ana ja se bi ompani anim odu so gu obo ne so na se bia ya kan wo se bibi ni wi ase anka ye na ye nto ye mpum owie ye na se wa ye mrewa otime nko ti sani ampanim so wo fie da bia no na se wa ya amane kakra man na na ni so te wo no eti wo nga ye kakra man na ni so ato no ose ho eti a wo nga fre se wo mra na wo bi mo aba o so nim na ebusuafo a orefre ebusuafo ni bia fitutu aba yo eti na se si ano de ekoso e wa hanan
No fair, and pay your better as I say, you better want your money be a man, and they'll be a reporter. Ube chua ben, or they say, Confanochi feel from Panifoni be no Makasa. Na papa no, obi a this is the 5 years to 70 years. Where na dream with the hot year.
Send an near my yet no, to me who na bosu no papa, but say, what you make the bidia banede, nese, a yard that said bidia will be now suman who said then. It's nothing I'm paying for it, say. A buff on a ban what do a man have a bon woman who send ya what the assembly be siafa.
Oh yeah, I don't pay say you better see now your report and about do ho and you better not to us every holiday am I don't pay better see. Oh yeah, nyase that brother. Yeah, nyase that. Aha, opening aha. Who are mentioned hunting? I'm a person say be do have baby sana. Yo Fama na Okoman Kasa.
Hello.
Abani Yamachi.
Yeah.
But you home today.
No, na other Roma.
You now did say.
Yeah, the Kofi Ansong.
Kofi Ansong just say what this year I not if you all busheni.
I made no other show. I not you.
The honor out today bia. Apa e dey na esi fie ho e dey na esi ho
na me si anu se no wana pe ya ni ni papa no ba e si no so ke no si e o si ya no no class o ka kwa no o to ana afi de o sorry no ba ono si abu ana no yi ni kote yes, in here, you got a good so good.
Auntie, Obaya, they say, obey the bear man or just so good, born so. I said, the auntie.
I'm doing we are Bishana also 52. And we are sooner.
And Johnson can to tunu when you be behind you so and say confirmation bonus wo awukuwa.
Yo.
Anye bia much was say mo de hoye ajonso ya na.
Yes na say on kwabo say busia bi. I say no afase ne atutu hene. Yes enko hu atutu hene no. Mani obaka no. O mo baba ya. Ono ne ya chen.
Na ebu na wajuso agusu no e de ebu.
Ya ye me say wo a wo fi baby na so ba na say bibi du akia ho na say sintu no ofia.
And teacher say to me wo ebu ni mu na odi efie say eto
to me wo obu no.
And they say o here e de na odi aka ebu no odi fie ka bu na say de na beba.
Oh, that's kind say I didn't ya no. The two running na ti. Ebi sa wo ya sompo no ya. That's all. Ebi sa na bi sa ma order se ben yes ade no. Onu ye de. Etu stress ebi ana obi asuma na se na kasa. Ana wa share that se oba be. Onu ne ye pese ye chuchum ehunu se. Se na kasa obi na asuma na. Ni ehu kwa ade ba.
Nana metie ukasemu a ebu no nya ade a obi adwoso so da enti enti ena ono adwoso so yi nana ensusan so be na ebeba ena ono abadwoso so nana ensusan so be na ebeba Nana otemeka na maybe say na obi abaji so go boy susu so be na beba ebo no hu ni fa so biem enye adwuma biem ono so de na be ye no de na betu kuro no de na beba
susu so beba no so e me mi say we na beba no so na kuro no so na say wa kuro no kura de kura ka anachi odi fi aka anachi
Enti say obede o man bede kro ne bede say dede ninti ye ne komo ne besi a dede no ama ye nche dante ne ye enti ye be frɛ kwasi nyina ye na na ofe no pay e be dance why ade wa badwuma pa e de amaye enti ye frɛ kwasi na ye se obenya be page na yenya enkomo ne mu ya zoro
Baffour
what na ha anyi what is ampani say bi da
enti na mdi kan mi say
krama mu ade a agati fo adwam da akoye gymnastics makobe go ni ase ozas what na ha che
Debbie
oba anche we di ba hin
obe 2 years ne but me tai fa hakko akra
onima konfanoche ho no
menim ho pa
wasi wo hoda wako inside hoda
ya ko story ne kra say akan say wo book mu
enam so wako hoda kasada
Debbie
ompe ho asem duro no wa
Debbie mi twem
akwede eso akotena no wa yiri beb na tata
na asem no
wanyu so agunso
na hwia bebia o free ba na say Jones odi no grant mi si wo kai mu Jones wo kwan wa say na wadu ho no mana
say wo de zero akwara ko fa say baba
CCA me nia say na papa ne kan no say wa bodin bi say bia o se ni na ebusua nti CCA na ebusua na esese woba na wo be gina mu na wo be kan bi ma no na bibi bi wo white say
wo ya so mo ya na ono mo ye
we dey wanya na easy o we dey
this is 570 trafina I think you na no ma gro no your grandpa
it's either say ebia na
emuka ne kaka
ebia
that's what in peniphobia na de she nto mo nkofo ono mumra akofa ka edi aba
person so say ebia na
bia na se na o kamia sa ma dwenje mi ai ma me kwasi embobo so ha na kwasi
aja
agra moni adwuma they say hina obutoyi
sesia me wo Ukugwa okonfo anoche ahensi ana so okonfo anoche fi utun Ukugwa no ho na se baba be dun train
how dey ukoto ana so ko dey kwasi
Davio aja se betie ko ka adwuma ya Okoman ya bai ya ni ye adwuma na woti betie ye be kabi na ya hwebi enti asam ne to form na me pese me de mani wa kuriti awusi abehe se ne ye te no ya pa na no kwasem bi bedu ha no so doma butwi ewa ha enya asem ketwa me ne mpanyin ba ko abien bi adi nkomo atre se ne ye te no ye no kware ansa na no masene infoni kakra de aba production page no so a ubehu opanyina yereka na asemu ya ote ho oyo opanyina na ni afi utwa na nemfe eko nanim na chema wadaro ma me bai no me beto mpanyina atena se bibisai na asokwahena ofisi ha no ono na oyo opanyina oda ha obi banasa abakwa sembi anase bibia otena se na wakamu asem de atre omanfo eti ono ne mpanyin atena se ne atene se abonsambo ne yehu wo ahemfi bi no abonsambo ehunfoni ewo ho nti yereka ya yenua no ma yerehwe yen wo Facebook ebehu ne yeka ho asem abonsambo na no me wo hari wonduma na wachire se opayini ba onkasa ne wachire ni se nchi bede ewa hai membu a ewa ha woni se asiatembe anato ukiatumemu hade yentoto yangamani afi ya Kristo kode aso yangamani ni amamre de yentoto na se enti woni awore sere ni se anka wonya papa yi ma wo na wonye ne ho adwuma nanso empanyin aba tema wotemenka
yetie opa kwasi
aha itisa wuti dede wa ha na meku ane empanyin wa ha na yese wonya papa ne ma no na akawon so wonni ne dwuma kakra se wonnim timo power owo entia ode ba bebi se adwuma yi eti empanyin atere na se baabi uhemfoni a otere na
Kwasi Mahunu ase o she blue black bisa.
O she blue black bisa.
Navy blue man so si hwa why saying am say bibi craft fan widiem. Na emabunu enya botre san say ye famra sha ensem. Na Ghana ye law abiding state. Enti na process for the
Wadaro ben nana sopahina owa ha o hwefie ha na ono nso ye ne no edi nkomo kakra fa asemu ya ye SEO ono na mebesi no so
asokwa hene na share batakari
you asokwa hene na ese batakari ti hoyi
ye ne nkasa
ene mere watia na ti hoyi
ye ne nkasa
yo oyene Wadaro ma kwa abado ba Okoman
Nana no pray umpo mu today Nana Mr. Wadaro ma umpo mu today
Onyame adom me huye na mo se
Nyakopo Wadaro ma na no pray dia asema titi Wadaro ma ne fare by ne say
no akasa de kakra you say dede wo ha me ntimi auto
me pa cho no pasa ma by ne fare by ne say
na me refio
sa nana what me ka na e bisa say anope asema si wo okugwa no ne fare by ne say
meba efe ansan megina baby pa
nana we dey yebisa say high Okoman radio so na wo ka say na yebisa say anope asema by ne fare by ne say
anope na me wo baby ameda na anrochi fi ho na ye wo me wo fasidi so a onda ho nti mo ha no soma be fresh nti mi dey America buy no na baba kokora bi na o te ho na mi say ere asem mo say o ti fi wa no hu say baba kokora na aye say ne a o ba fi o nti odi abubu an ho pe no hu so gina ho and na say obu eni zip sebe na ogu ti say o pimbu bi we ni mo abonsambo pimbu ebo anochi eni mo asa na we refi o to sa mo na san we refi o nti obu ise na origusu egusu che so ojonso egusu ko so no twin no twin fi ona odene tena fam no so nice no nti me be du ho no nti say na ofi no fititu ti hin kura e mo fa se ti mi ta so mi san e ko di no nti Kenya about being so or Tikrum or 52 step by. I don't know who papa you be said na papa. No, you hope you are now about come by no the taxi driver. Don't be general no so only no. To be saying so then one. Who said who has to be or can. See, or I send a sign if you so yedidum na wafun. It's about and say okay, and I'm not going to say what I want to account or cano. Now say I'm on quite. Yes, and now say Ufiti Num and on a young above Kola Gabushia now.
Na saa boy ni juma mudidi abaji so aguso so so be na beba ono akasa so na busuafo na akugwa akuro no enso so eso
no kwasem ni no ni awabe se ya nhwe anya ho amane a anochi fifo ene akugwa man nyina ana fe ono so na abusua ene ne mba nyina ade be si won so na na se ade be ba won so no eno de mintumi nkire na mo yenso hwe bebre
na te se ne na busuafo ba se obeye na oya amamre ni amane kakra
sa na te
apapa na ohwe na dwen no emu enka no kakra
well me to me no me sha na se bibisa ni na wo ka no but adibi wo hot say me fan say in spiritual way no say obi person oye obibi a at times so fa obi a me fan say oye normal or the spirit no gbawura obi a oya abnormal mu na wabeye sade no at me awe kan so obi a e dey say oya arfu yenya na onko njoko pepe ni obeye no na so echi no na fie di nsu abon so abro sabre no so noko send me aka ko te ato
yo na mo bisa na so obi na suma ne de
eno mo de untumi nkire ye say obi na suma na na sana nkasa na mum says we bisa no say na oreba na na fun bi nchen akesa o twist asam no kan no twist wo hu senia on fancy asam potin so say bi asese na asese ubisa na no twist asam no akwahye ba bi
Okoman Radio.
Na ultra fie ho a wo hwe na no mu niam so bibi say asipen
uze
mesana bra wo hwe na no majapade so de say ni bibi say ebi asipen
oh you and the bakwetisa me kai pa papa bi na ono kra de o amamne na oye rasta nto ba no na say aya ho ba ha obi tia ba kwasam no ma ebo na anochi okubakum ha na be bi odi aba na ye de akokere wo mo ti da ebo no de na bonten ho nti ena na say osi fam no titititi no ko bu ebo no so na amrante ne kere no sada no be kurum ha na yasam ketwa na yesma na ebusunya so ma won so obai e tro amam ye so ye se etuma di bibiri wo ho a ebo won tumi mu esu keke nti ya kan so wate aso bi kumugwan na afi won so kra wo kire se na aye se na adwene mu kan kakra but obe ye sa ade no e makra oye free obe ye sa ma na mpanyin kire na egware na duru e wo fi ha no ma ne ho
Okoman Radio.
kra aba yeah nti
Nana, where do you be so? And Tiaba say no, a man ben na mobeya manono.
No customer will say, you be trying to on the set. Ugang the begin. You begin Ugang. Now, you dear Jura. You dear Jura.
Okoman Radio.
Obet Jessica Cracker.
Oh, she got some of the mean, yes, sure, sir. If you have any Funisiana, wash and not CBS, or the now, acquire so often, sir. Ofumudi mpata o pata there and the ebia ka envelope give that na bibia te same send am ebia margin chen
ana we dey
one dey constant and it snap
oh yeah and pe wa boy pa na ebisa se ebu ya wo kan no wo se we ni abonsambo wo hu
yeah
we ni abonsambo
opembo me dey say na me frɛ no
opembo
opembo
yo na no pe we dey ye mamo kose na ye be se abusuya eni mpani beba na omabehwe ne aye ne yesa oye na sumdue eni yie atimi atoye yeda ase nana
yo me so me da mas
yo kwasi
yo chairman me bopri owura no na di nkomo kakra
osese
pese maybe sa no ni din na ni eti obeye sa what we friend ohene kwasi ofututu na emise kasa ne mu na ho papa it is any area di kan ati say won afre abusua say won mra na won mehwe no sa anso ne yere sere say won police phone so emre mu madaroma ehu say mranti ni bi astart touch no ewe anim ho aye basa ha ye menya kakra nti say police fo betimi aba behwe esomu abone ho ban kosi say abusuafo no ebeba anka yen ani beje ho pa won astart ejojo papa no anya asem ketwa wa hanti madaroma
yo kwasi yebeda ase na yahwe onim so babeka yensa asomdwe mu tiefo eye kwasi aje na wakopie mu akugwa enei papa yeso friend ohene kwasi na wakopie mu free tutu sejon so den tutu onye ba bia nyina tutu ho free tutu saa betwa makropon ha efa hai na mabriu dawuni ade akugwa sometimes kofano chifie ne wahe omche na bobra ho obewra ho no opembo eda ho na yefra bosambo no yi ne bema run zip ta majoso guso yes wa esen pass wa nei wase na busuafo ho nti principal so enko ho na police for enko boa san se sema bonu so ani abre se omdom sabaka no madaroma ni fie kwani mu nkohwe bia na adwen ne ho atouch makakra na akoba ne sa na oye ne bi ankopie mu ho nti se be ne de ne masisi ha na sorry so anesa san se agroso no na ade so sa enkurasefo nti se be na yama I would say papa kwan na wa be ne niema se sarbe de oguso ka niema egu so Ozias
okay
akwana ko kasa ma ba ko fasa ma ba
really having one because we share the age now me expect to say obey sad no and penny focus idea join the way there are better. To pass it.
Over.
Yeah, some
me sisi and the messenger is send all kind, police intervene to send eba say the mebuno the messenger won say obi fun kuma won fun wa nti messenger won ma akomamra fam it's what to me akire ni nchi no abo nipa bi din de mi je di say abofo a wasoma wo no woko na wokobo amane a asema ti say de mpahinu be sorry na won ahwe de iya to iye anu na be ma asudwe aba nti me me sure say yaka wo kuma nso yi nso de enye den a ansa na abofo no betwa afi akugwa ha bedu tutu no yaka wo kuma yi de won ate you sure say won ate
you better zero na ya twen ti when see na e beto aso
you
edamase
that's
Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey.
Hey, serious. Okoman Radio, moya. Come on, boo. Show up.
I want faith.
Crap your mind down road. Okoman Radio. It's your baby. Okoman ye kramuche. Station where the man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey.